Welcome. If you want to get a live wallpaper on your Umidigi S2 Lite, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Magic Fluids. Let's get this up from the Mad Scientist. Now we have to install. Tap that we got it. As you can see, it's not working really well, but don't worry, we are going to customize the settings. So click here, then tap to set as a live wallpaper. Tap on the settings icon. Let's accept, and right now we can go for the animation settings. So we can change everything on the low settings. I think that right now it will work much better. And also we can go and set our favorite theme. I will set up this one, click yes. Then we can just simply go back and tap to set as a wallpaper. Click apply on the both. And when we go back, you can see this wallpaper right here. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.